Hello, followers. You are welcome to Nabeak Art and Technology channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a presentation using the Microsoft PowerPoint. Now before you begin, you locate the PowerPoint software. It is right here on the taskbar. Try to follow the mouse pointer so that you know what I'm doing. Now to begin, these are all templates that you can begin with, but I want to start with a blank page. This is a slide. In PowerPoint, we work with slides. So let's say if you type something here, and then you go in for a new slide and you type another. Until you finish whatever you want to present. What you are going to present, your content should be bigger. The font size should be bigger. So it depends on you. It depends on what you are doing. If your content are many, that means you are going to have more slides. So whenever you need a new slide, you just come here and then you click and a new slide will come. Okay. So the first one contains the title. So you just type, and then the subtopic or subtitle. You can always increase the font size. I can also change the colors, make it bold. Then you begin with the next slide. I have a project that I'm working on, so let's go and then look for that file. So this is what I'm working on. This is my first slide. And I have my topic. Then the next slide. Next. So you type whatever you want to present until you finish. You can also use whatever you have on the Word. This is what I'm working on. I've already typed it in Microsoft Word, and then I'm transferring it onto the Microsoft PowerPoint. This is what I've done. Each slide has something on it. It shouldn't be your words, whatever you're typing shouldn't be clumsy on the page, so that when you are presenting, your viewers will see clearly what you are trying to present. So each slide should contain a small amount of the information that you are trying to present. So this at the end, this is how your presentation is going to be. Okay. So let's try to format this work. I want to change the color.